A lazy man not supposed to eat. This is Jamaica at its finest. Welcome to Pretty Close.
The most underrated dining experience in Jamaica is not at a fancy resort. It is not in a popular tourist area. It is tucked away in the hills of Gordon Town in St. Andrew, built by one man with his bare hands right next to a river.
I am the owner and operator of Pretty Close, 1876. Pretty close, not too far, guys.
And once you find it, you will never forget it. Today we are heading to 876 Pretty Close. If you love discovering Jamaica the way locals actually experience it, go ahead and gently tap that like button right now. It really helps more people find this channel, and honestly, this place deserves all the attention it can get. You are driving through the winding roads of St. Andrew, the kind of drive where your jaw drops every 5 minutes because Jamaica just refuses to be boring. The hills are lush, the air is cooler up here, and there is a quiet beauty that feels a million miles away from the busy streets of Kingston. You arrive in Gordon Town at this tucked away spot, and the first thing you notice is the sound of the river. Then you see it. A small, uniquely crafted outdoor dining experience, built from stones pulled right out of that river and wood sourced from the surrounding land. No factory materials, no hired contractors. Just one man with a vision. That man is Omar Edwards.
I am Omar Edwards, owner and CEO of Pretty Close. Welcome to Jamaica, guys.
But everyone calls him Ramo. Omar spelled backward. That is the kind of creative energy this whole place runs on. Ramo built 876 Pretty Close himself. Every stone, every beam, every detail. He is the owner, the head chef, and honestly, the heart and soul of the entire experience. And it shows in everything he does.
Started late 2019 and then COVID come 2020 and we'd have to stay home and actually build up what you have to do at the time. So we start build the space at 2019. 2020 we finish, continue the work, build the walls and what we can build. And then we continue the work until we reach the year right now. Nature at its finest. Food, wood fire, everything, and a lovely river right here. Natural.
Now let us talk about the food, because this is where things get really good. The meal started with a steaming bowl of ital soup. Natural, wholesome, and made with intention.
So good.
That soup alone was worth the drive up into the hills. Then came the spread. Fried fish, ackee and saltfish, rice and peas, and festival, with sweet banana fritters to finish it all off. Everything was cooked to order. Nothing sitting under a heat lamp, nothing pre-packaged. Ramo and his team made each dish fresh.
Our national dish. We have some steamed vegetable right here with pumpkin, carrot, little bit of love. You have cooking love. Yeah. This is some escovitch sauce we just make for the fried fish. We're gonna fry some banana fritters to give it that little sweet taste because we can't get any plantain from the town. This is some festival what we're gonna make. We have rice and peas right here. This is the rice and peas. It's all natural.
While you sit by the river, taking in the scenery. That is a level of care you just do not find everywhere. And the coconut jelly. We were served fresh coconut jelly that he had been keeping cool in the river. He called it his outdoor refrigerator. That is the kind of thing that makes you smile and think. Only in Jamaica. Now here is where the adventure kicks in. After your meal, you hike to a waterfall. The trail winds past labeled fruit trees and lush greenery. It is Jamaica at its most pure. When you reach the waterfall, the water is shallow, but the fall is stunning. Clear and cool, the kind of refreshing that feels like a full reset. After a meal like that, standing under those falls feels like a reward you actually earned. And here is something exciting. Ramo is currently building a small amphitheater on the property, with plans for outdoor movie nights.
This is my amphitheater. I want to show night movie light on the rock out there. So I would have shine a projector on the rock over there. So this is my bonfire where we can go look up story around and all of that. Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Yeah.
Movies at 876 Pretty Close.
Not too far.
This place is already amazing, and it is still growing. Getting there now means you are part of the story from the very beginning. 876 Pretty Close is located in Gordon Town, in St. Andrew, open Wednesdays through Sundays. But here is the important part. Reservations are required. This is a small, intimate dining experience, and that is exactly what makes it special. You can book through their Instagram page, link in the description, There is also a small shop on site where you can pick up beverages and skincare products. A lovely little bonus on your way out. Jamaica has so many layers, so many experiences hiding in plain sight, built by passionate, creative people who love this island deeply. Ramo is one of those people.
So why you decide to do a restaurant by the riverside?
It does come naturally. It's just a thing what come natural, so I can use the space because the property here is my family property, so I live up the top right here, so I just come down and I know say I really love this. You know, get up every day before I even get in a dollar from this. I have to get up on this something. So I started this business late 2019 as I tell you. And then from 2019, after COVID, people start sharing it and I'm all over the world. Pretty close, not too far. I'm pretty close to you guys.
And 876 Pretty Close is proof that the best things are often found when you stop following the tourist map and start listening to the people who actually live here.